This is the JBL Clip 5, a small but powerful portable speaker. I mainly use this speaker for fishing, but is it still worth it in 2025? And what can it be used for? In this video we are going to talk about how to use it, some specifications, performance tests, a water test, and of course a final result. On the front of this speaker we have three buttons. The volume down button, the play pause button, which you can press once to pause or play a song, press twice to go to the next song, and press 3 times to restart the song. And then of course we have the volume up button. On the side we have the power button. When the speaker is turned on it will show a light and it will make that sound. If you can't find the speaker between your Bluetooth list, on the side it has a Bluetooth button, which then it will search to nearby devices which it can connect to. On the side you can see a triangle button, which is the ofcourse button. The JBL Clip 5 comes with ofcourse technology, so you can connect multiple speakers that also have ofcourse. Here you can see the measurements of the JBL Clip 5. You can charge the JBL Clip 5 with a USB-C cable. The speaker is fully charged in 3 hours and it lasts 12 hours plus 3 hours if you have the playtime boost on. The JBL Clip 5, as the name suggests, has a clip built onto it, so you can hang it on many different things, like maybe for instance a door handle, on a work ladder. You can even put it in your bag or clip it onto your bag, and it's even so small you can fit it in your pocket. So now we're going to do a performance/sound test. The JBL Clip 5 has 7 watts of output. I'm going to be playing music on different volumes so you can hear if the sound really changes. And I'm going to be turning on the playtime boost so you can hear the sound difference.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played, and wastelands through the highways, and on we'll go.
The JBL Clip 5 is IP67 dust and waterproof. We are now going to be doing a water test, but I don't recommend doing this at home because you don't want to take the risk of damaging your speaker.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
You can see it still works perfectly fine, but I just don't recommend doing it. If you are looking for a small and very portable speaker that has very good build quality and very good sound, this speaker is meant for you. Thank you guys for watching, wish you a nice day, goodbye!